Good afternoon, my fellow YouTube people. Let there be light. Oh, lovely. Oh dear, my room's a mess. It's quite nice outside actually. Let's go out there. So yeah, I'm home alone. Like, my mum's at work, my dad's at work, my sister's at work. I'm at home alone. And it's fun because I can just shout and no one can tell me off. Ellie! Ellie! Oh my gosh. Hello, Ellie. Hello. Come on, Ellie, outside. We're gonna go outside in the sun, guys. If it blinds you, I'm sorry. Stay there while I open the door. Wow, it's lush. Oh. Mr. Ducky. His beak fell off, so we had to glue it back on. Oh. Might just have to sit here and... I don't know if you can see me because it's really sunny, but anyways. Yeah, I'm just about to take Ellie for a walk, and then I'll probably play Sims or PS3. Hello, baby. Hello. Hello. Walkies. Walkies. I'll see you in a minute. Come on, baby. Walkies. Lead. Oh my god. What's that on the floor, Ellie? The camera. Oh, you got your... Oh, dude, there's a knot in the lead. Is there a knot? Is there a knot in the lead? Should we undo that? Sorry, guys. You can just look at Ellie for a minute while I try and undo it with one hand. Hey, Ellie. It's much harder than I thought it would be. Here we go. Come on, Els. Come on, this way. Do I take my mum's sunglasses? No, I'll be fine. Ellie, get inside the house so we can go out the front door. Come on. Thank you. Got the key, Els. Come on. Make sure I don't lose the key. So yeah, off out the house we go. Ellie. Come on, get out of the house. Shut the door. Where the hell did this come from? What the... I think that's my old bed frame. But I don't know what it's doing out here. Oh well. Squidge, squidge, squidge. So I saw people and I panicked and turned my camera off. It's like a family. I was like, oh my god, oh my god. So I turned it off. But yeah, now I'm walking down the path and it's really muddy. Ellie seems to be enjoying herself. So yeah, what I was going to say is, like, yesterday I went for this walk and I was like, oh my god, where's my phone? So I was looking in my pockets and then I realised I was holding it in my hand. I was like, I'm so dumb. So yeah. Oh, it's quite peaceful here. I think I'm going to go to the pond and just sit there for a while. Be nice. Damn it. That was awesome. I've never seen that. Let me see if I can find. That is really awesome. I think that was... I don't know what bird it was. There we go. Oh, that's cool. I've never seen one at the pond before. That's really made my day. I don't know why, but seeing a bird that I haven't seen. Hey beautiful girlie, what you doing? What you doing? Please don't lick my camera. Thank you. Because if you did, that would be disgusting. Or sneeze on it. Don't sneeze on it. So yeah, this is where I go if I want a bit of peace and quiet. Just the sound of nature. Just, yeah, as I was there yesterday, just sitting there thinking out stuff like I always do. And yeah, I love it here. It's just so nice. Lol, lol, lol. Ellie! Ellie! Oh, you're so cute. Turn that off. Oh! What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do, baby? What are you gonna do? Oh, you're so cute. I'll take it off. Oh! What are you gonna do? Oh, baby, you're so cute. Ellie, you're just gonna... You put up me, don't you?